On this video, I will show you how to make an easy jumbo shells recipe. Stay tuned. First, you have to prepare the ground beef and use any condiments that you like or that you prefer that you have in your house. You can add onions, pepper, garlic, basil, anything that you want. To cook the pasta, I usually let the water heat for about 5 minutes before adding the oil and salt. Now just let the water boil. You have to wait until the water is boiling to add the pasta. Now just let the pasta cook from about 8 to 10, maybe 12 minutes, depends how firm you want the pasta. This is basically what we're trying to make. Looks yummy. Now let's just start adding all the ingredients for the cheese mix. You can add as much cheese as you want, any brand, any flavor, whatever you prefer. I like cutting it in pieces so it's easier to mix it. To the cheese mix, I only add a little bit of whipping cream for flavor and easy mixing. For the cheese mix, you can use as many condiments as you like. I also like mixing the meat and cheese on a separate bowl so I can leave extra cheese to put inside the jumbo shell later. And now just use the rest of the heavy cream to put on top of the shells. Before adding the cheese, you're just gonna put some marinara sauce. You can either make it at home or buy it at the store. And to give it a different flavor, you can add just cheddar cheese or any other type of cheese that you like. You can use your toaster oven or your microwave to heat it up, and then it will be ready to serve. I mean, just look at that. Now I know what you're thinking. It's obviously an easy recipe. It takes a little bit more time than on this video, obviously, but it's so worth it and it's gonna be so delicious. Let me know if you want to try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. It's not for me to say.